are not in the house. All my ladies in the outside today. Put your hands up in the air. Let me hear you say hell yeah. Say hell yeah. So we came to rock. So we came to rock. Fellas, say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Say hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
So we came to rock.
We came to rock.
So we came to rock. So we came to rock.
We came to rock.
So we came to rock.
We came to rock.
Hold on. All right, let's see. Now, come on.
When the whole world falls apart, you can be the axis. I can lean on you strong.
Get in my back.
It's like a friend would instead.
You wouldn't catch me. No. Said I want you.
I want you. I want you. And only you.
Said I want you.
I want you. I want you. And only you.
Maybe I was trying to be too much to him. You know how men perceive when you do it. The ultimate push up sleeves and going. Now I'm the culprit of being all knowing, know it all woman. No, I'm not, I'm still learning. I thought I was appealing to you well in the beginning. Tables turning in the inning that we in. I don't know how to rescind it. I'm using bigger words right. That makes me a bigot of some sort, some kind. Baby, word don't wanna fight, huh? Italic bold, underline anyway. I can't explain that I'm most not obliged to dislike you. It's not a Jamie Foxx, I'm just like you situation. I like you outside of the love bit. When we cut a rug or just feeling nothing. The duration of our hugging can turn into and as always welcome. I'm a jokester plus then. Hey, we supposed to be each other's best friend. When I said that, he said, now my lady man cussed then. How I look then, stupid face, like I was a rook then. Only moving straight lines, now I'm moving backwards. Faith line fractured, you should be an actor. At this point my mood's max factor. Made up, straight up. If there ain't no friendship, ain't no future. Made up. Now come on, come on.
Lean on you strong.
Get in my back.
It's like a friend would instead. You wouldn't catch me.
Now,
baby,
I want you. I want you.
I want you, and only you.
I want you.
I want you. I want you, and only you.
Maybe I just wasn't truly the catch for him. You know the Match.com / you sold me. No more dates in that forum. Bad decorum. When that thought set in, I shouldn't have backpedaled and settled and backfalling over dumb shit. Overcome with this overload of backbone. When I'd had enough of dumb bitch falling from his lips, balling up my fists, yelling and appalling. All of this was ignoring the form bliss that wasn't there. So I dare say that maybe Gene was even more so. Fairer to blame for caring in vain. Daring a dream, bearing a soul down to the last morsel. But all we wanted in a time where all the love is not reciprocated, shifted, hated, shifted mind, give it back if we get it elated. You dating the one that you can say to have your back in day-to-day in bad relations. Have some patience, living lover, acting gracious with their own shit. Through all your fucking bullshit. When shit's terrible, full clips do seem like they make a new scene better on your full screen life, huh? I thought I'd never leave the pulpit like nothing is forever, ever bullshit like it is. It's like the story of the Wiz Dan. But pulling back the curtains, all you saw was just a man. And you know, I said, I wish you could be everything to me. Like my friend or my lover. And I got mad. I was like, baby, you got what I need. And he said, you ain't my friend. And he said, you sing along. I said, baby, you got what I need. And I turned to him and he said, you ain't my friend. And he said, one more time, louder. Come on, baby, you got what I need. And he said, you ain't my friend. And he said, one last time, everybody, come on, baby, you got what I need. And he said, you ain't my friend. And he said, you ain't my friend. Now,